Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create alpha in Adobe Photoshop, then take into Autodesk Maya for creating transparent texture background. So let's get started. First open your Adobe Photoshop, go to file, open a image. I take this image, zoom tool, zoom it slightly. Now go to quick selection tool, select the background, press Alt, decrease the tool size, quick selection tool size, move it back. Now go to select, click inverse, go to image, cut the image. Now double click on your background and click on this icon. This will make it transparent. Now again go to edit, click paste, go to file, save as, save the image as PNG. This is very important, otherwise your transparent texture background creating will not work. So select this as a PNG image. I put it on my desktop, click save. Now go to remove tool, turn on your background, select the layer, double click and rename this one background ND. Now select the background, go to image, adjustment, level, make the color black, click OK. Now select your layer 1, again go to image, adjustment, level, make this white, click OK. Now select these two layers, press Ctrl+G to group, go to file, save as, save the image as JPEG format, save it on your desktop, JPEG format, click save, click OK. Now open your Maya software or Maya application, go to create polygon primitives, take a polygon plane, increase the, press F to focus or zoom in, decrease the subdivision wide and height to 1, increase your plane wide and height to 6, press F to focus or zoom in, right click, assign new material, select Arnold, select AI standard surface, go to base color, see this is base color, click on this color checker box, select file and locate the PNG image for the base color. Now select this, Press 6 on your keyboard or click on this colored texture icon. This will show you the image. Now go to Geometry tab. See Geometry. Click on this thin walled box and on opacity checker box locate your alpha image or JPEG image. See, this is very important. You should locate your alpha JPEG image on your opacity output or opacity color checker box and the PNG image on base color checker box. This is very important. Otherwise, transparent texture background creation will not work. See, this will show you this result. Now go to renderer, open on this viewport 2.0 box, transparency algorithm, object sorting, change it to alpha cut. Now click select and see the effect. This is how you can create a texture transparent background in Autodesk Maya 2020. Now you can rotate it. Go to lighting, turn on two-sided lighting. See, this is very easy process. You can also create transparent background texture in another process. I am showing you also this process. Take another scene. First, go to curves and surface. Take a polygon plane. Go to perspective view. Scale this one. Right click, assign new material. Select Arnold, AI standard surface. Click on this base color checker box. File, locate your leaf image. I have downloaded the image from Wikimedia. Just search this image on Wikimedia. Now go to create curve, select EP curve tool. And click one point here, another here. Ctrl G to undo. This will take long process, so I skip the video. Press enter. Now see, the curve creation is done. First select the curve, shift select your NURB plane. This process only work for the NURB plane. It will not work on polygon plane. Go to surface, click project curve on surface. Move and see, two curve is created. First, hide your original curve. Press H on your keyboard. Now select this curve and the NURB plane. Go to Surfaces, click Trim tool. Now click on your leaf icon and press enter. This will create the leaf. Now go to edit, delete by type, delete history. Lighting, turn on two-sided lighting. Rotate the leaf and see. You can also create leaf in this process. I have shown you the both two processes. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.